Guys, for today we're gonna brush our teeth again. I put here. I'm going to sleep right now, guys. There's a part 2 and part 2. I got sleep again. Yeah. That's your fault. Okay, let's do this. Like and subscribe. And if you find like subscribe so you can get an iPhone in your bed. Just kidding. And on this. Oh, what's that? Until my mom to read. No. Slow mo. I just possible. Mama clean. Hindi ako. Bakit hindi ako naging yesterday, my gums bleed. Mama! Bakit dito, Mama? Kaya ano clean yung dito? Bakit sabihin mo? Mama, malapit na mag-clean yung dito. What's your other day going? You don't have to and you will go back to school and 7 and 8 to 7. Because I will go back. My sister is going to I have to go to 6 8 bye. It's all bye.